Brixton is constantly buzzing, yo.
Hi.
Hey, where you from? You from London? Oh, Ecuador. Cool. Nice.
Yeah, you speak English?
Yeah. Okay. Ah, thank you. I'll check it out. Alright. People from all over the world. So, I'm gonna check out this little marketplace here and see if I can find some food.
Stand at the bottom of the stairs, and then I can fixate and see it on the side. So you can't, because I come, no, that one's
Thought about coming here to get my hair cut, but I went to somewhere in Kensington. I'm not sure if this is the marketplace. Roots Records. Hey, where's the marketplace that you guys talking about? The marketplace?
It depends which marketplace you're looking for.
Looking for some food.
Brixton Village. Yeah. This is literally here.
Oh,
you just follow.
Oh, I didn't
So
know.
if you follow through here, we've got one part, and then if you follow through, there's sort of a road, and then there's another sort of doorway with like two little stalls that sell paper, like rolling papers and that, and then that's sort of an entrance to the other part, which has more stuff in it as well.
It's like a little pedestrian walkway here.
Yeah. But it's a bit. I mean, you know, if you want my honest opinion as a local,
Yeah.
full of fucking yuppies. It's proper gentrified now.
Oh yeah.
It's proper gentrified. You know, it's not really local businesses anymore.
Down this street? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if you want like for more local stuff, if you follow this street, there's the stores set up here are usually like actually locals selling their stuff.
Oh, okay.
But in terms of the market and the restaurants inside the market building, it's sort of like yuppies and gentrified bullshit. Really, it's not really anything local anymore. It's all fucking people who moved in from the posher areas, all middle class and upper class kind of shit.
Yeah, I heard that. I was here like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
I kind of talked about that a little bit. So you're from here?
Yeah. No, I've born and grown up here.
Yeah.
I live just around the corner. But yeah, no,
It's all over the world, though.
yeah, that's the thing.
Well, where's everybody else kind of moving to? They're moving further south?
Well, they're all getting scattered, really, innit? Because rents are too high. I mean, as someone living in London, if you want, like, again, I grew up in Brixton, and I've lived in the same flat just down the road my entire life with my mum. Yeah. And for me, if I want to continue living in Brixton but move out of that flat, I can't, because the rent's too high. The rent in that flat's good for us because we've been there for long enough that it's sort of stayed stable. And it's fairly cheap for Brixton.
Right.
But if I want to move out of that, I'm gonna have to probably move out of Brixton as a whole. Because all the locals they're getting dispersed. And the next generation, which are the children of the locals, they're all getting moved out because they can't really stay around here anymore. Because again, the rent's too high for them.
Right.
Really.
Yeah.
That's what's happened. Like, charged full rent throughout the entire pandemic. And not once has anyone from the council come down and asked us like, oh, how's things going? Or no support or nothing. Because basically what it seems like they're trying to do is they're trying to make conditions so unbearable that we move out and then they can move in whoever they want.
Right. Yeah, some cultural thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Which shop are you at?
This shop.
Oh, the red.
Russell Roots, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Nice. Man, that guy dropped a lot of knowledge on me. So I never really actually walked around Brixton. I've never been like, oh man, I see what he's talking about. Came here once before for like a concert 3 years ago, but I didn't come to this little area or whatever. He said the more authentic shit is down this way. The more authentic stuff is down that way. But
yes, I take a photo, please.
Yeah, solo so weird.
it's the mobile. I'm gonna go check out this little mural wall painting here. Then I'm probably gonna put the camera up, get something to eat, and something else interesting comes along, I'll start recording again. Coffee inside Brixton Village. This is the end of it. I believe this is the entrance. Black History 2 map. Here's a model of the building. I realized I had to know who I was, otherwise somebody was going to tell me. It's a great quote. Yeah, just left the Black Cultural Archives. Somewhat closed. They had a gift shop and basically like a little timeline entrance area. And yeah, they're gonna open an exhibit for the Windrush, a Windrush exhibit honoring the group of black Caribbeans that came over after World War II. They're gonna have a big event next week, but right now, not much is open. It's actually more of a library than it is a museum. So you can go there and check out if there's any information, any photographs and things that you want to see. You can go reserve a space, and you know, they preserve. It's a preservationist place. And what I've learned is, you know, what's so unique about this place is that it's sort of a form of self-preservation. Like a lot of institutions of the such, you know, that have to showcase Black history, it's from a different perspective, or it's from a different outside institution. But this here, you know, it's by the community, for the community. It's for anybody, but it truly is like a self-preserved institution. And I would love to see what kind of materials that they have in there. But I'm gonna enjoy the rest of Brixton. And this guy here, look at this guy. Windrush Square. Take modern. There's music going on. I was gonna talk to this guy or get him on camera, but yeah, he's busy. Anyways, I'm out.